चलो चलो सर. So again, very good evening to all of you guys. I hope you guys can hear me, see me clearly, right? I hope I'm audible, visible to all of you, right? Chalo sir. Let us start with our session for mock analysis. So again, apologies for like a little bit of delay for today. Every day I generally come at 5, but for some unforeseen circumstances, I had to come at 5:30 for today. Chalo sir. Let us start with our session. Let us start with our session, sir. Right, sir? Again, I'm audible, visible. Just confirm this once. Just confirm this once. I'm properly audible, visible. Everyone, I'm properly audible as well as visible. Chalo, sir. Chalo. Okay, chalo. So, NTPC mock analysis. First of all, how did the mock go? Kaisa gaya? Perfect. Somnath, thank you so much, brother, for confirming. So, questions. First question is this. First question is this, sir. I guess you guys can see this, na? Chalo, sir. For what value of m and n, system of linear equation this and this has infinite many solutions? Sir, what is the condition for infinite many solutions? So let's zoom in a little bit, sir. Sorry. Let's just zoom in a little bit, sir. I guess, yes, now you guys can see it better. I guess now you guys can see this a little better. Right, sir? Now, infinite many solutions, sir. What does it mean, sir? What does it mean? Infinite many solutions means, sir, one line will be kind of superimposed on the other line. The first line will be on top of the other line, sir. That means coefficients of x for both the lines, that is m plus n divided by this coefficient is 9, sir. Coefficient of y, sir, 7 here. Over here, that is n plus 7. And coefficient of this 11 by this side, sir, 33. All must be equal to each other, sir. All must be equal to each other. That means this is so very simple, sir. This is 1 by 3. This is 1 over 3, sir. So that means this is equal to 1 by 3. And this is also equal to 1 by 3. From there, I can simply figure out the values of m and n. So m plus 1 by 9, that is equal to 1 by 3. 3 constant. M value is 6. The value of m, sir, it is equal to 2. But sir, what about n, sir? Sir, n plus 7, that is equal to 1 by 3. So this will go that side. So it is 21. N is equal to, sir, 14. N is equal to, sir, 14. So that is your answer, sir. That is your answer, sir. That is your answer, sir. 2 and 14. 2 and 14, that is, sir, option number D, sir. That is most definitely your answer, sir. That is most definitely, sir, your answer. That is most definitely your answer. I hope this is very simple. Okay. Always in these type of questions, whenever you are preparing, no, prepare always graphically. Remember, like, try to visualize. That way, the concepts also you will be able to remember much in a better manner. That will also be, you will be able to remember in a better manner. Sir, next question then. Next question, sir. Let's move into the next question, sir. So the difference between, sir, the difference between 40% discount on 500 and two successive discounts of 36 and 4. So successive discounts, what will be? Yes, no piracy, I don't know. Sound is a little issue, I know, brother. There is a little issue on sound. So it will be kind of rectified very quickly. Okay. So actually what happened, this is a new studio, absolutely new. I've just started taking classes in this studio from today onwards only. Okay. So this used to be my old studio actually, but the setup is completely new. So what happened is that it was supposed to, the board was supposed to be installed in another wall. So all the other stuff, the materials to stop the echo, there are some pads, vagera. So those were supposed to install. Those are actually installed in this wall. Those still installed. But the echo is coming from this wall because this wall is bare. So I need a little bit of time to install those things. Okay. So within I guess the within next week you will find the sound to be much clearer. Okay, because I will also need time to go buy those materials, install and everything, right? And like I have straight classes throughout the week, so not before Sunday. I don't think so. I can like install those. Still, I'm trying my best to do that as soon as possible. Okay. Let's see now. Let's see how quickly I can do that. I know. I've also like heard myself. It is a little bit echoey, not a little bit. It's tremendously echoey, right? Chalo. So in this situation, always use the successive rule. Means always use the AB theorems to figure out. Always use the AB theorem. How to use AB theorem, sir? 36 plus 4 over here. It is minus 36 times 4 by 100. Either you do this or the better method is to go with this minus 36 minus 4 minus plus 36 times 4. This is much more conceptual, and minus means it is discount. Actually, you will get the same answer. You will get the same thing, but chalo, theek hai. So if you do this, 36 plus 4 is a 40. And so this is whatever the difference. You please understand, 40% on this 40%, these are same. So difference is only this. The difference part is only this. This is how much? 36 times 4. 36 times 4 is 144%. 144 by 100 means 1.44%. Actually, sir, this 1.44% is the difference. Answer 500 rupees. They're asking the value of that. They're asking you what is the value of 1.44% of 500 rupees. That is what they are actually asking. That is what they are actually asking. So 5 into 14 is 7. So it is very, very simply, I can say 7.20 is your correct answer. 7.20 is most definitely your correct answer, sir. 7.20 rupees. Clear, sir? Very, very, very simple question. Very, very, very simple. So next one, sir. Let's move on to the next one. What's that, sir? Trigonometric question. Question based on trigonometry, sir. Let's see. Tan 42, 48, 36. 48, 42, 54. Okay, sir. So tan 42 and 48, whenever I'm seeing this, I'm getting one thing in mind. I am getting one thing in mind, sir. So this is 142 plus 48 is 90. Meaning so tan and 1 will remain, other will become cut. Other will become cut, meaning so these things they will become 1. Because you understand, tan 42, if I keep it, and if I change the tan 48, it will become so cot 90 minus 48, that is 42 only. So tan and cots are cancels, it gives us 1. It gives us 1. Meaning, sir, this is 1. Similar logic, sir, this will also become 1. Sir. This will also become 1. So ultimately, what I'll find? What I'll actually find, sir? What I'll have, sir, actually, I will have the sine square 36 degree plus 1 by cosec square, meaning, sir, sine square 54 degree. So again, the same thing. 54 plus 36 is 96. So one thing will become cos. I can write this as cos square 36 degree. Sine square plus cos square, sir, this is equal to 1. This is equal to 1, sir. My answer is, sir, option E. My answer is, sir, Option number one, that is ones. I hope this is clear. Very, very, very simple. It's very, very, very simple. Right? Next question, sir. Next one, sir. This is reasoning. Reasoning. Again, I will never be able to answer these questions. भूल गया सब कुछ. Sir, this one. This one, sir. This one, sir. Data interpretation. Data interpretation. What is the ratio of total number of baskets shopkeeper A and B together to the ratio number of baskets C and E together in maze? First step in data interpretation, I told you always, is always try to figure out. Always first step is data picking. So first is in June AB. A and B June. A and B June means these two data. Second, sir, C and E in May. May, C and E. C here and May, E here, sir. These two. They're asking addition of these two, ratio addition of these two. Addition of these two, ratio addition of these two, sir. 27 and 24. 27 and 23, sir, 50. Means of 500 and 12, sir. Ratio, sir. 216 and 176. 21 and 17. 21 and 17 means 20 and 18. 38. 38 and this, sir. 38 and this, sir. 392, sir. 392, 392. Yes, 392, sir. Let's calculate ratio they're asking. Na? 8 se to divisible. 8, 64, 8 cube. 8 fours of this. 8 nines are this. 64 is to 49. Can I do? Let's see now. 64, 49. You see, option number B is your correct answer. Option number B is most definitely your correct answer. Next question, sir. Again, I won't be able to solve. Not this one, not this one. Yes, this one we can solve. This one is something that I can definitely solve. Okay? So again, during my preparation days, I was like worse than bad in current affairs and the whole general affairs thing. Okay? So if you say someone was bad, like if you can think of something which was kind of worse than that, I was in that category. Sir, chalo sir. इसको हटाओ ना, sorry. ये इधर ही रह जाता है. चलो ठीक है, क्या ही कर. ठीक है. Let's do one thing. Now you guys can see, I guess. Now you guys can see. In a class, marks of Hindi were wrongly entered as 90 instead of 69. Due to that, the average marks for the class in Hindi has increased by 3 by 5. So average has increased by this. Why? Because of this particular error. The error or the deviation, whatever you like to call it, that is how much, sir? This is 21, sir. 90 instead of 69. So for that reason, the average increased by this. Achha, sir. If total marks for the same class in English was this, then find the average in English. Achha. That means if I need to find the average for English, I need total number of students. That I don't have. That I need to figure out from this deviation and this average. Now, how to do that? This is how I'm approaching the question. What I need to do now, I know deviation. So, deviation divided by number of students will give me the change in average, sir. That is 3 by 5, sir. That is the change. So from there, can I say, acha sir, n is equal to, in second. Again, I've just written opposite. I've just written opposite thing. Extremely sorry. Extremely sorry. So can I say the value of n? What I'm doing, okay? 21 into division by deviation. divided by 3 by 5. So it means I'm doing it 5 by 3, sir. So 3 sevens are this. 3 sevens are this. So 21 into 5 over 3 was there. So 3 sevens are this. So that is 5 sevens are 35. So total 35 students were there, sir. Now, total marks I know, total number of students I know. Can I find my average? Can I find my average? So they are definitely 2695 divided by say 35 you do. Sir, how much is that? 7 se to 5 se to definitely. Sir, 5 fives are 25, 19 threes are this, 9s are this. 7 sevens are this, 7 sevens are this. 7 sevens are this, yes. So 77 option number 1, sir. You see, option number 1, 77 is the correct answer, sir. Option number 177 is your correct answer for this. Very, very, very simple question once again. Okay, everyone, I hope this is very, very clear. Right? Then again, if you're liking the solutions, please do hit that like button. Please do hit that like button. Arey, देखा, this problem happens. Chalo, sir. Again, sir, this I cannot do. This, this I can do. This is a brilliant question. This is a brilliant question if you are doing it for the first time. If you do not know how to do this, because again, I've seen from my experience, students have a particular like tendency, allergy towards sequence series questions. I don't know why, but definitely that is there. Definitely that is there, sir. Anyone can give me this answer. Anyone can give me this answer. Now, please understand, if you want to be good in this particular chapter, the sequence series, no, you have to first love numbers. You have to find a way to love numbers. Okay? So, loving numbers is very, very important. So, let's see, no, sir. Let's see how we can love numbers, sir. Let's see. So, 16, 54, like just looking at this, I am getting one feeling, sir. So this is, no, sir, 2 times 8. This is, no, sir, 2 times 27. And these 27, this is 8, but and same logic, sir, 2 times 1. This 1, these numbers, these are very special numbers. These numbers are very, very, very special, sir. These are not your ordinary numbers, not any numbers. Right? So these are all cubes, sir. So ultimately, that means I found my pattern. That means this is, if I take 2 common, this is, sir, 1, I can write 1 cube. Sir, 8 means I can write 2 cubes, sir. 27 means I can write 3 cubes, sir. So till how many times? Sir, 9 terms they are asking. That means I need till 9 cubes, sir. 9 terms means 9 cube. Again, if you don't know what is the last term, that also works. That also actually works. So this means, sir, it is 2 into. So the formula for this 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dot dot dot. If you go for n cube, there is a formula. For that, now let me give you first one formula. The sum of natural numbers, if you know, till n. The formula, sir, is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Because this is an AP, it comes from the formula of average. It actually comes from the formula for average. It actually comes from the average. Okay, sir? Now, if you take that and square the same thing, square the whole thing, that is nothing but the formula for the sum of cubes. So you just take this same logic. Now, here, what is the value of n, sir? Here, the value of n, sir, is 9. So it is 9 into 9 plus 1, 10 divided by 2, the whole cube of that. So it is a 5. So 2 into 45 cubes, sir. 2 into 45 cubes, sir. So just figure out the value, sir. Now, you see, I do not actually need to, 1 second. Acha, there are two values. Either option 2 or option 4 will be the answer. 45 cube, let's figure out then. Kya hi kare? Let us figure out 45 cube, 45 cube, 45 square is 20, like 25, right? 20, 25 into that. 20, 25 into this. Acha, 1 second. Cube, sorry. Square है ना, you see. तो पागल ही हो गया. I'm writing square here. I've written cube. I don't know why. Extremely sorry. Extremely sorry. Extremely sorry. This is square. Okay. Extremely sorry. Cube तो इधर है. So 45 square. Any number ending in 5. Na, figuring out square is very, very simple. How to do that, sir? Take the square of 5. Sir, 25. This is 4. Like 4. What is the next number to it? Sir, 5. Multiply that. Next number to 4 in the number series. 4 into 5 is 20. Put it there, sir. That is your answer. That is your square, sir. 20, 25. Sir, times there is 2, sir. That means 40, 50 is your answer. 4050 as your answer. That is option number, sir, B. Let's see, sir. Let us see. 4050. Yes, that is your correct answer. That is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Clear, everyone? Clear, I hope this is absolutely clear. I hope this is absolutely making sense. Right? Very, very, very simple questions. Next one, sir. Again, income tax. You guys will give after you get the job. Achha, series. Series, sir. Let's see now, sir. Achha, I cannot see the first question itself. 1752, 158, 477. This is the series, sir. Number series question. 1752, 158, 477. First things first, how to approach? Sir? First thing you do, sir, whether it's a multiplication based series or it's a addition based series. You told me, sir, it's a multiplication based or a addition based series. So looking like, it is most definitely looking like a multiplication based series. I have a very big thumb rule. If the next term you're saying it is increasing more than double, more often than not, it's a multiplication based series. Okay, this is just a tip, not a rule. Please understand, there will be exceptions. There are most definitely exceptions. Sir, 17 to 52. How to do that, sir? 17, 52, I'm writing the numbers. 158, 477. I do not know the next number. So 17 into 3, sir. Multiplication. And what do I need to do extra, sir? Plus 1. Because I am going from 17 to 52. Next, 52 into how much will get me to the vicinity of this 158? Into 3, 50 to 150, into 3, definitely. So 52 into 3 is 156. Meaning, how much do I need to add? Sir, you add 2, sir. Now, just by looking at these two, I am starting to get some idea. So, plus into 3 plus 1, into 3 plus 2. Let's see now. My idea is saying, sir, into 3 plus 3 होना चाहिए. Sir, into 3 if I do, 3 15s are 450, 3 8s are 24, 184, like 474. That's 3, sir, absolutely. That means my intuition was correct. So according to the same rule, it will be, sir, into 3 plus 4, sir. Into 3, sir, plus 4. Now, again, let me say one thing. Sir, acha, there are 2 5s. I was about to say, sir, do not calculate, just look at the unit digits. Again, you see, they have given 2 options having unit digit 5. So you have to calculate. Sir, 477. Chalo, let's do, what can we do? 477 into 3, sir, 400 into 3, sir, 1200. 7 into 3, sir, 210. 7 into 3, sir, 21. Add, sir, 31 here, 14 here. Plus 4 means, sir, it will become 35. 1435, option number D, sir. Option number D, sir, 1435 is your correct answer, sir. 1435. That is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Right, sir? Number series question. This is how you should approach each and every question. You will never get it wrong. It will never like kind of betray you. Because number series is a chapter that has like history of betraying like students. Right? If you have prepared seriously, everyone has this story. Number series betrayal. Happened to me, happened to everyone. Sir. Again a number series question. Let's see now, sir. 1, 1, 4, 36, 576. अच्छा, बाप रे. This is looks good, but दाल में कुछ काला लगा है. Something is not right, sir. Something is, sir, not right. Why, sir? Every number is a square number here, but there is two ones. Again, if you see again a tip, again a small tip here, sir. If you see there is two ones, like the number is beginning, the series is beginning with two ones, na. More often than not, see, it's a multiplication based series. 1 into 1 only gives you 1. I'm not saying it happens every time, but more often than not, that is the case. Meaning it's a multiplication based series. But again, all the numbers, so they are what they are kinds of square numbers. 1, 4, 36, that is 24 square, 576. Okay. Sir, let's see then. Let us see. Let us just see if we can figure out anything. Sir, it is the most definitely into 1. Because if I take the pattern key square of something, no? So then I don't have any pattern for this. 1 and 1 will do the same thing, 1 square and 1 square. This doesn't make any sense. So this is, sir, into 4. This is, sir, into 9. Acha, I got my pattern. So this is how much, sir? This is how much, sir? This is how much, sir? So 36 into how much, sir? 36 times, how much? This is 24 into 24, so by 36, na? 12, 2, 12, 3, 3, 8, 16 times. 16 times, sir. Sir, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Next should be, sir, 5 square. Meaning, sir, 25. So my answer should be, sir, 576 into 25. Now, anything multiplication by 25, do always this. 25 has a girlfriend. Her name is 4. So divide by 4. So this is how much, sir? This is 144. And this is, sir, 100, meaning put double zero, sir. 14400, option B, sir. Option B, sir. That is your answer. That is your answer, sir. That is always your answer, sir. Clear? Clear, everyone? I hope it is absolutely clear. I hope this is absolutely clear, sir. Chalo, sir. Chalo, sir. Next one. Odd one out, not one. Again, not this. Not this one. Divisibility. Chalo, sir. Divisibility rule, this one. Sorry. Divisible by 24. 24, sir, is a composite number. So anytime you get a composite number, divisible by a composite number, always do one simple thing. Always remember to do one very simple thing. If you see this thing, divisible by something, divisible by something. Composite number means this is, break it down. So this is 3 into 8, meaning, sir, it is divisible by 3 as well as it is divisible by 8 as well. Now, let's see. And there are two variables, two unknowns here. So, should we start from 3 or should we start from 8? Always start from whichever is allowing you to take one unknown out of both. Because if I take 3, sir, I need to take both M and N as a whole. I need to take, because the divisibility rule of 3, we need to take the sum of digits. That means I need to take M as well as N at the same time. Whereas if I take the divisibility rule of 8, I only need N. It's the last 3 digits I need. I only need last 3 digits. I will always start with that. I will always start with that, everyone. Okay? Because that will be easier to solve. So 0, 7, n. 0, 7, n. It is divisible by 8 because the whole number is divisible by 8. Divisibility rule of 8 is saying if the number is divisible by 8, that means the last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. Sir, what is the value of n? See, there is only one possible value. It's 2, sir. Because 7, 0, 7, so only 72 is divisible by 8. Like in the 7 series. It's in 7, 73, like 70 to 70, like 9, only 72 is divisible. So 120% the value of n is 2. That is for 100% sure. We can say this. Now it's easy. Now we only have one variable n. So add them, sir. Now I will now check for 3. So 2 plus 1 plus 3 is 10. 2 plus 1 plus 7, sir. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 4, sir, 14. Plus, sir, 0 plus 7, sir, 7 only. 0 plus 7, sir, 7 only, sir. 1 second. So 14, 7 plus m plus n was there. N I found to be 2. So now this must be divisible by 3 in order for the whole number to be divisible by 3. Sir, add na, sir. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 14, sir, 23 plus 10, sir, 33. 33, sorry, plus m was there, na? Sorry. 33 plus m, sir. 33 plus m. 7, 9, 30, yes. Now tell me, what is the smallest value of m? What is the smallest value of m for which this is divisible? See, एक second, have I done any error? Just a second. 10, 33 itself is divisible. Na? 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 14. 14 plus 7 plus 2. That is 9. Right, sir? 14, 24, 26 plus 7, so 33. No, I have not done any error. I have not done any error, at least for the time being. So what is the smallest value of n that I can take, sir? Smallest value of m is 0, I'm getting, sir. Right? Smallest value of m I'm getting is 0. Because 33 itself, na, sir, is divisible by this. In this case, 6 is the answer. But again, I might have done some error. Can anyone point out any error you guys can see? You guys can see any error? 7 plus 2 plus 1, 10. 4 plus, अरे सर 14 नहीं, ये तो 13 है. एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी. देखो, अरे ये देखो, गधा खड़ा है. अरे सर, एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी सर. Extremely sorry. This is, twice I've checked, I've written this. Sir, this is 32 plus m. M has to be 1, sir, because smallest value of m they ask us to take. M, I take 1, so that is 33 divisible by 3. Divisible answer 3. Right, sir? Now they're asking 2m plus 3m. So 2 times m means 2 times m means 2 only. 2 plus 1, 2 into 1. Is 3 times n is 6. So the answer is, sir, is 8, option number D, sir. Option number, sir, D. Option number, sir, D. That is most definitely your correct answer, sir. That is 100%, sir, your correct answer. I hope you guys are liking the section. If you are liking the section, please do hit the like button. Please do hit the like button. Sir, next one, not possible, not maths. Sir, again, this is maths. This is, sir, maths. 56% this one, okay? 56%. 56% of k% of 1500, sir. Okay, sir. That is equal to 28% of 50% of 20% of 6000. This is what they have given. They are asking value of k. Value of k, sir. चलो सर करते हैं. Percentage हटाओ, percentage. Okay, sir. Off the, it doesn't make sense. Off the only, off means multiplication only. Sir, percentage, this percentage gone, 2 zeros gone, sir. Percentage means divided by 100. Now anything else, sir? 28 twos are 56. So let's not, two zeros from here. Let's write it down, otherwise we'll make a mistake. 2k and 15 here, sir. Now over here we have 5 here, we have 2 here, that is 10 into, sir. Over here we have a 60. Sir, 15 to 30, this is 2. Sir, k is 20. The value of k we are getting, sir, is 20, sir. Option number C. Option number, sir, C. Option number, sir, C. Very simple questions. Now you see, the better you can calculate, the easier it will become, the faster you can solve. Now, that is the reason you need to kind of solve more, practice more, and like do all sort of stuff. Next, sir. Chalo. Next one, sir. Achha, the number that should be subtracted from 834 and 963 to get 43 as GCD. Achha, how much should I subtract from this and this so that I get this? GCD means nothing HCF. Okay. Achha. Now. Let's understand better. Okay, we will not do those technical stuff. Utna nahi aata kuch. So I need to get what smaller number is this. Let's do this. So I need to subtract. Na? That means I'll find which multiple of 43, sir, is just less than 834. Next thing is which multiple of 43 will be slightly less than, just less than 834. So again, a 43 times 20, it is 860. 806. 43 twos are 86. So minus 43 you do. Meaning what I'm doing actually? I'm doing actually 43 times 19. Right, sir? So if I do this, 860 minus 40, sir, 820. Minus 3, sir, 817. 817, sir. 817, sir. Now that means this is divisible. Meaning if this is the number, then 43 can be GCD because this number is divisible by 43. Now if I want this number, how much should I subtract from 834? 34, 17, I should subtract 17. And no option is more than that. No option is more than that. That means 100% my answer will be option A, 17. I'll not even check the other option. I will not even check the other option. Why? Because if there is any other option, if any other option is the answer, then like this 963, then like this 834, like this, it might be option for 963. But for 834, like that cannot be the case. That cannot be the case for 834. Okay, sir? This is the only possibility for 834. Moving on, sir. This one, ये तो कभी नहीं होने वाला मेरे से. Not this one. कितना गया? Compound, yes, this one. If I miss a question, please let me know, huh? Sir, you have missed a question. Simple interest on 2 years is this. Simple interest for 2 years, sir, is this. Achha, sir. Compound is, sir, 2 years is this. 2 years ka hi this. Okay, sir. Acha, first things first, whenever you see this type of question, let me give you a tip here. Compound interest is always tough because compound interest calculation is tough. Right, sir? So always in these situations, there are two ways to go. For like one way for those who can, like who is saying, sir, I'm willing to think. If you can think, let me give you the best way. This is hands down the best way. And I will give you another way that also needs a little bit thinking, but like not too much. So, compound interest is how much more than simple interest, sir? This is 14, so 162.5 rupees more. This much more, sir. Now ask yourself one question. Ask yourself one simple question. Sir, why? Why compound interest is more, sir? The answer that you will always get, sir, because in compound interest, no, whatever is first year interest, say I've kept some money, the bank has paid me some interest. This is after first year. Second year, in case of simple interest, I'll again get the same interest I. But in case of compound interest, this I will get added to principal and I will get the interest on this total sum of P plus I. Now, this is what I'll get in case of compound interest. That means this extra that I'm getting, sir, simply that on the sum of on this principal, I'll get interest in case of simple interest, in case of compound interest also. But why compound interest is more? Because in case of compound interest, I'm getting some extra interest on the first year's interest. Sir, first year's interest, how much? 2 years interest is 1300. 1 year interest is 1300 by 2. That is 650 rupees. That means I am getting some interest on this thing. I don't know, I'm taking R%. That means R by 100%, R by 100 I'm getting interest. Which is this, which is 162.5. You will get the answer in one line, sir. You will be able to get the answer in one line. Karthik, sound should not be unclear. It has some echo. But actually, what happened, like this is a new setup, okay? So it will take a couple of days to kind of get the sound right, okay? So it will like take me a couple of days. I'm kind of trying my best to get the sound right as soon as possible. So within this week, you will see the sound to be absolutely crisp. Okay, sir? Chal. Apologies for the delay, brother. Okay. 513s are this. One sec. 513s are this, sir. Excuse me. 52s are this. 13 ones are this. 13 twos are this. 13 fives are this. Right? And sir, this is R is at 25%. This 2 will go that side. 12.5 into 2 is 25. Option number sir D. Option number sir D. Option number sir D. Okay, sir. Sound will get clear within the week, sir. Within the week, sir. Okay. Still, let me do one thing. Ruko. Now, this should be a little clear. Now it should be a little clearer. Right, sir? Chalo. Now, I told you I'll show you another way, na? Ruko. This is the best way. Any way I show you after this, I will say, sir, you are doing labor work. Okay, I've given you the best way actually. If you have understood this, if you have not understood this, now please ask me. Ask me, I'll be more than happy to do, like repeat this. The significant digit questions, these are the easy questions. Significant digits, I hope everybody knows how to do. You just need to calculate a little, sir. Sir, here, sir, there are 5 digits. Here, 2 digits. So total should be 7. Now, I have to check whether they are eliminate. So there are zeros or not. So 75 to 24. 75 into anything multiple of 4, no, sir, I'll have 2 zeros. So that means my answer will be, so 2 zeros means 2 digits come. That means my answer will be, sir, 5. 5, 5, 5. Yes, option number 1, sir. Option number, sir, 1. Option number, sir, 1. Moving on a little quickly. Next one, sir. Next one. This one. There is a fraction such that if we add 11 by 30 to it, it gets reverted, okay. Furthermore, if we subtract 1 from the numerator, then the fraction comes out to be 2 by 3. What is the fraction? Okay, so if I like do this normally, it will be big. It seems big. Let's go by options. Second condition looks better. So let's try the second condition first. Subtract 1 from the numerator. So 13 minus 1 means 12, 18. It is 2 by 3. I said this is what. This can be. I'm not saying others can't. So it is 7, 6 by 9. Again, so this can also be an option. This is 4 by 6 again. 7 by 3. This is, you can only eliminate only one option using the second condition. So I have to use the first condition, which again will be big. 11 by 13, sir. So 13 by 18, if I add this 11 by 18 plus, sorry, 13 by 18, sorry. 13 by 18 plus, sir, 11 by 30. Let us not do the calculation total, okay? Because it needs to be 30 by 11. You see, it gets reverted means niche, sir, it has to be have an 11. It has to have an 11. So looking at this, sir, it cannot have 11, sir. Because you see, whatever happens, it cannot have an 11 here. No multiple of 11 is possible. 11, I'm saying 5 plus 6 gives us 11. So let's try this one, sir. So 5 by 6 plus, if I add 11 by 30, so 30 is your LCM, and this is 6 5s are 30. Sorry, 5 5s are 25. No, sorry, 5 5s are 25 plus, sir, this is 11. 30 here, sir, and this is how much, sir? This is a 36. That means this is 6, this is 5, sir. It is getting reverted. Absolutely, it is getting, you see, we are getting the reciprocal. So 100% option C is my correct answer. 100% said option C is my correct answer. Now, if you go normally, this will become very big. Now, you need to, in these questions, especially when you are using the options to your advantage, a little bit instinctive measures are very much important. And this thing you will kind of, you might say, sir, how do you get to know, sir, 5 by 6? You see, I've given you the reason also. Because we can see 11 is there and 5 plus 6 gives us 11. So that instinct should kick in, and you will develop the instinct like with practice. The more you practice, these instincts will kind of get stronger and stronger only. Okay, sir. Moving on, sir. Sir, this is a good, easy question, sir. Let's see. 15 times 4. 15 into 4, sir, 60. Plus X% of 200. Achha, sir. Always remember, A% of B can be written as B% of A. I can change it. Value doesn't change because both are AB by 100. So I can say 200% of X, meaning say 2X. 200% means 2. You see how easy it becomes? Sir, it is 1600 minus, sir, it is 35 ka square, sir. So 2x value, sir, it will be in 5, 0.5, all are having 0.5. Sir, 16, let's do one thing, sir, let's do one thing. Sir, doesn't make any sense. Let us do one thing still. Because I am having this, sir, 2 hai na, sir. So 2 से divide this, this, and this are 17 and a half, sir. So x will be, sir, 800 minus 30, minus, meaning 770. 770 minus 17, sir, meaning, sir, 770, 753, right? 752.5, sir. 752.5, option number C, sir. Option C, sir. Option C is your correct answer. Option C, that is most definitely your correct answer. You see, very simple question. Okay, sir. Chalo, sir. Moving on. Moving on, sir. Square root of 0.01444. Okay, sir, you do not need anything, but still, for the basic students, I'm saying this. So this is, I can write 144 divided by, for this decimal, I'll write 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So it is 12, sir. 4 zeros means I'll have 2 zeros, meaning, sir, 0.1. Option number, sir, A. Option number, sir, A, sir. Now, why is it again? You see, my options, A, these two can never happen. Now, 1.2 is, sir, I know 1.44. And this is not 1.44. So it has to be less. So only option that is less than 1.2 is, sir, 0.1. So for that, you do not need to do anything actually. Just look at this and answer. Just look at this and answer. Okay, sir. Next one, sir. 53. We're still long ahead, like far behind. There are so many questions today. I'm kind of explaining, like, so this is how the question looks. So the total production of all three flavors of candies in August is what percentage more than total production of all three flavors in June? Acha. August is this, June is this. How much more they are asking? Percentage terms. In terms of percentage. Right, sir? Sir, 15, 18, so this is 27, 27, 13, sir, 40, sir, 42. So this is 9 and 6, 15, this is a 25. They're asking 42 is what percentage more than this? Than this means this is like denominator. How much more, sir? 17 more. By, sir, 25 into 100, sir. Meaning, sir, 68%. 68%, sir. Do you see? 417s are this. Okay, sir? Okay, sir. 68, option B, sir. Option B, sir. Moving on, moving on, moving on. Acha. Chicken, sir. 72 heads. 72 heads, sir. 200 feet, sir. Okay. How many chickens and rabbits are there? Okay, sir. Okay. 72 heads means total 72 animals are there, 200 feet. So, sir, again, this is a linear equation question. I don't know, sir. I'm saying X number of chickens, Y numbers of rabbits. Again, you can do it using alligation as well. Honestly, you can do it using alligation as well. So 72, sorry. Sir, X number of heads and Y number of heads, because any type of animal head will be one only. So that is equal to 72 first. 200 feet means, sir, if X chickens, every chicken has 2 legs, X chickens has 2X legs. And sir, rabbits, every rabbit has 4Y, has 4Y. That is a 200. That is a 200. Sir, multiply the equation by 2, sir. Multiply this equation by 2, sir. Multiply this particular equation, sir, by 2. So this will become, sir, 144. This will, sir, become 144. Look what happened here. Chalo. Sir, Subtract, sir. This has gone minus 2y. It is equal to minus 56, I guess, right? So gone, sir, y is 28. Y is 28. So x will be what, sir? X will be 72 minus 28. 72 minus 30 is how much? 42, right? So 44, sir. 44 chickens and 28 rabbits are option A, sir. Option A, sir. Now again, this question you can do using allegation as well. Again, I'm saying this. Moving on, sir. Moving on, sir. This was your correct option. This one not, this one not. Train. Okay, sir. चलो train करते हैं, sir. Let's understand train, sir. अरे यार 300-meter long train takes how much? 75 seconds to cross a platform twice its length. Length is twice means 600 meters. Achha. It means 75 seconds more than to cross more to cross a platform twice its length than it takes to cross a pole at the same speed. Achha. So when it is crossing a pole, how much distance is it going? How much distance does it go? Sir? It goes only its own length, that is 300 meters. When it is going crossing the platform, it is going how much? Its own length plus the length of the platform. That is 600 plus its own length 900. So that means please understand difference 600 meters. Meaning, can I simply say, Acha sir, this 75 seconds more it is taking, sir. It is taking to kind of travel this 600 meters. So meaning, sir, the answer, the speed is, sir, 600 distance by, sir, time. 75, 8, sir, 600. So 8 seconds, yes, sir. Option number D is your correct answer. Option number D is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Very, very, very simple question. Very, very, very simple question. Perfect, sir. Perfect. Chalo, sir. Chalo, sir. Achha. Sum of squares of length and width of a rectangle. That's questions zyada hai kya? Today they have given more questions. Length and breadth is this. Perimeter is this. Okay, sir. Squares. Achha. So length and breadth L and B. So squares of that. L square plus B squares. It is 113. Perimeter is 30, 30, sir. 2 into L plus B, sir, it is 30. Go on, sir. It is 15. So that means, sir, I can write this as L plus B whole square minus 2LB. That is equal to 113. They're asking area. Area means they're asking this. L into B. So value betha, this is, sir, 15 square, that is 225. So take this to this side, take this to this side, sir. So that means minus 113, it is equal to 2LB. So LB equal to, sir, by 2. So that is, sir, how much? 112 by 2, sir. 56, sir. Option D, sir. Option number, sir, D. Option number D is your correct answer, sir. Option number D, sir. Perfect, sir. Perfect. Chalo, sir. Moving on. So again. Achha, this is a very, very, very good question, everyone. If you don't know how to solve, again, I'll strongly suggest you learn how to solve. This is a very beautiful question, actually. If you go with this, now there is a shortcut formula, but again, that is a very bad, remembering a formula for only one question, that does not make any real sense. So, ASI and CI, 3 years, it is, sir, given. So I'm saying ASI, sir, ratio CI, 100 ratio 1:3. Right, sir? It is given, sir. So first things first, you can calculate. So do not make, in these situations, never make equations on this. Never make your equations based on this. You see, I'll turn this problem into one of the problems that I had done. Now, let's see, sir. Let's see, sir. I'm saying, sir, P. So 3 years, I don't know the principle. I'm saying P into R. I don't know that also. I'm just, R is given in capital. Let's keep that in capital only. Into 3 by 100. That is equal to 100 rupees. I'm taking, sir, SI literally is 100 rupees. And so CI then you say that you need to take this. No. I will do what? CI minus SI I know that is 33 rupees. For 3 years there is a formula. So PR square by 10,000 into, sir, R plus 300 by 100. That is equal to, sir, how much? That is 33, sir. Put down the value, sir. P into R I know. P into R value I can put it from here. That is P into R will be, sir, PR. It will be, sir, 10,000. PR will be, sir. Then let's do one thing, sir. PR by 10,000 ka value. So this one is this. It is equal to 1 by 3. Plus PR by 10,000 I can see here. So PR by 10,000 I'm putting 1 by 3 into there is R here. Into, sir, R plus 300 by 100, sir. That is equal to 33. Right, sir? So now just put down the values. Do not do anything. Let's simplify a little bit more. R into R plus 300. That is equal to 33 into, so 99 into 100. Put down the values and check, sir. Put down the values and check. 9900, it has to come. So if I put 30, so 30, mostly 30 is the answer. 30 and 330. Yes, sir. That is your answer. 9900. Option number A is your correct answer. Do not solve. In these situations, do not solve, sir. Do not try to solve and get the correct answer. Never do that. Never do that. Okay, sir. It was a little lengthy question. Okay, but it's a very, very good question. You will be stuck if you do not know how to solve. You will be stuck if you do not know how to solve. So next one, sir. Product of this, such a rational पूछा है. They're asking which one is rational. Sir, this one to not rational because it's whole square. 2 root 3 and root 12 is same, sir. And this is same. Whole square. It doesn't make sense. 6, 2 root 7. Yes, sir. This is rational, sir. Only 2. Only 2, sir. Single, one-liner question. Single-liner question, sir. Single-liner question, sir. Single-liner question, sir. Right, sir? Next one. Interval, last weeks. Sir, first I need to figure out distance, no, sir. Figure out distance means D will be my last step. Distance. First step, sir. What will be my first step? Upstream given. So upstream distance. C will be first step. D will be last step. C first, D next. Oh, yes, sir. Option number B. Option number, sir, B. This one is my answer. Let us see, sir. Option number B. Yes, absolutely. You see, very, very simple. Very, very simple, sir. Next one. Which angle is 2/3 of its supplementary, sir? This angle you should remember, 72 hota hai. You should remember actually this is 72. And if you do not, again you see, just do one thing. Sir, one is 2x, another is 3x. Total, sir, supplement means 180. Okay, sir? Just go like that. You go like that. That is the best way to go. This is the best way to go. So that is 5x is equal to 180. Sir, every x is equal to, sir, like you see, 36, sir. So 2x is 72. 2x is 72, sir. Perfect, sir. Again, I strongly suggest if you are a serious candidate, if you are someone who is a serious candidate, you should remember this. You should remember this. Okay, sir. Or another way to think also, the supplement 180, you break it down in 2:3 ratio. Same logic. Same logic. Okay. Achha. Person bought a certain quantity of rice, okay, at 150 per kg. Achha. 10% of rice was spoiled. Okay, so 10% means, let's do one thing. At what price? Achha, should he sell to earn 20% profit? Okay. So 10%, so I'm saying 10 kg rice he like purchased. 1 kg spoiled, sir. 1 kg spoiled 10%. That is the reason I've taken that to be 10%, like 10 kg. Because 10% I've seen. That means 9 kg is remaining, sir. 9 kg, sir. But, sir, again, he can sell only 9 kg, right? He can sell only 9 kg. Acha. 1 second. 150 rupees per kg means, so total CP for him was 1500 rupees. 150 into 10. Now he wants to make a profit of 20%. So he will sell it for 120 by 100. Now, you should directly write 6 by 5. But take it, 15 12s are 180. And this is this. So total he needs to sell it for 1800 rupees. How much kg, sir? 9 kg is remaining. He will sell 9 kg for 1800 rupees. Per kg price is 200 rupees. Anybody can say. Right? Per kg he will sell it for how much? For 200 rupees. 200 rupees, option number A, sir. Option number, sir. Very, very, very simple. Next one, sir. Not this one. Mean median mode. Okay, mode is 3 median minus 2 mean. Like I'm not doing this. Okay, I'm just skipping this. This question, just formula you put, it is a single liner question. Single liner question. Okay. This also, you know, let's not skip 2 questions. 8 whole 1 by 4, 33 by 4 minutes. Okay, sir. This is 61 by 2. 121 by 2 minutes. So these are the time. So efficiency will be the opposite ratio, meaning 4 by 33 ratio 2 by 121. So नीचे का ratio, sir, multiply by what, sir? 363, right? So 363 means 33 into 11. 11, sir, 44. And 11, this is 3 times. 3 2s are 6. This is the efficiency ratio. Meaning pipe K can fill 44 liters per minute and L can fill 6 liters per minute, sir. Both are open together, 2/3 of the tank. And this is the sort of whole pipe, like whole capacity. This is your LCM. So he needs to fill 2/3 of this, 363 into 2/3. Who is filling, sir? Filling efficiency, sir. K and L together, total that fills 44 plus 6 are 50 liters. This is the time, sir. 3, sir, 12, 1. 242 by 50, sir. Do one thing, sir, into 2 always do. 484 by 100 means 4.84. 4.84, option A, sir. Option number, sir, A. Option number, sir, A. You see? Option number A, sir. Clear? Everybody clear? Very, very, very simple. Very, very, very simple. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Reasoning, GS, reasoning, this is, sir, 4 year hence, sum of working years of A, B, and C is 72 years, sir. Okay. 4 year hence is this. So now it will be what, sir? 4 years less for 3 people, meaning 12 years less. That is, sir, 60 years. That means A, B, and C, all 3 have worked for 60 years. Currently, presently. Right, sir? Now, 1 year ago, the sum of working years was 40. Achha, now that means it will be 1 year more for 2 people. That means it is 42 now, sir. Because A and C were talking about 2 persons. It will be +1 for A, +1 for like C as well. Total sir 42. So we're asking current length of working for B. So A plus B, C I know, A plus C I know. B will be what, sir? So it is 18. 18, 18, 18 option B, sir. 18, sir, option number, sir, B. Again, everybody, I'm giving you the very short, like calculations or like shortcut ways. Okay. Anyone wants bigger classes or kind of more elaborative classes on those topics or those techniques, please feel free to comment down. Okay. I take free classes every week on every Saturday on the platform. Okay. Every Saturday I take free classes. Every Saturday at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. I take free classes, okay, on the app. Again, the exam is near, so if you need a class on any topic on quant, please feel free to comment down below, okay? So we can definitely have a class, we can have definitely have a discussion. Perfect. Chalo sir. Let's move on. Let us move on, sir. हो गया, I guess there are not many questions left. In radius is this, okay, sir. अच्छा, shortcut चाहिए, sir. Shortcut is 1:√2+1 for right angle isosceles triangle. Right angled isosceles triangle. This is the shortcut. How it comes, if you want to know, you take a right angle triangle always. If these two are equal, so say if this is 1, this is 1, we all know. Sir, circumradius, no, sir, circumradius is always half of this. So circumradius will be √2 by 2, sir. Okay, sir. That means it is 1 by √2. That is 1 by √2 is the circumradius. This is your circumradius. In radius, sir, this plus this minus this by 2, sir. 1 plus 1 minus √2 by 2, sir. Always. So that is 2 minus √2 by 2, sir. Take √2 common, sir. It will give you √2 minus 1 by 2. So it is kind of gone. So from there you can calculate, sir. So so this is I. This is I, sir. So C ratio I. If you want to take, sir, it is 1 ratio 1 by √2, 1 by √2 cancels. It is √2 minus 1. Okay, sir. So using that property, so this is in radius given, they are asking you circumradius. I guess you can find it out. So in radius is given, sir. That means the √2 minus 1 value is, sir, given as this. They are asking you to find the value of 1. They are asking you to find the value of 1. I guess you guys can calculate. I've given you the basics. But sir, moving on, sir. चला गया क्या? So this is one very simple question. A is to B, B is to C. A ratio B, 4 ratio 5. B ratio C, it is, sir, 2 ratio 3. Left may B are equal, right may also you need to do this. So you multiply 2 here, you multiply 5 here. So it becomes 8 ratio 10, ratio here 5 3s are 15. So A and C is 8 and 15. Sir, A is equal to 8. 8 equal to 800, sir. So C equal to 15, that is 1500. 1500 will be the answer, option D, sir. It's a single liner question. It is a single liner question. Okay. Again, if you're liking this session, please hit the like. Please hit the like. Okay. It gives the session a little bit of reach. So ये भी गया, ये भी गया, ये भी गया. This was one. See now. Circular cylinder question. Chalo, so what is there? 2 circular bases. Acha. One second. I can't read the whole thing, right? The sum of the area. Sum of the area of 2 circular bases is this. Acha, sir. Sum of the area is what's a normal circular cylinder? Sir, always a pi r square plus pi r square in a cylinder, right? Cylinder looks like this. That means sum of the area is like this. So this area and this area, pi r square plus pi r square means a 2 pi r square. It is given as 8 pi r square. Array, sir, pi cancels, 2, it is 4. That means small r is actually, sorry, this is capital R square. Small r is actually 2 of capital R. Lateral surface area is this. The lateral surface area of this particular cylinder was 2 pi small r into h. H, I am taking small h. It is given as 8 pi capital R into capital H. Sir, capital R, so put down the values 2 pi, 8 pi means it is 4. R means a 2 capital R, small r means a 2 capital R I am putting. Into sir small h, I'll figure out the value of small h in terms of capital H. 4 capital R into H. Capital gone, 2 gone. Achha. So small h is also equal to 2 capital H. Right, sir? Now they are asking volume, sir. Volume will be what, sir? Pi r square h. Small r square into h. Put down the value. Small r means this, so it will be 4 capital R square. And h means a 2h. So 8 pi r square h, sir. Put down the value 8, option C, sir. Option, sir, C. Option number, sir, C, sir. Very, very, very simple question. Very, very, very simple question. Right, sir? Moving on, sir. Moving on, sir. Moving on, sir. Not this one. I guess we are done. एक second, I guess एक question रहेगा. अच्छा, 5% every year, 2003 this, 2000 का value. अच्छा. 3 year, 5% successive increment. 3 years successive increment. 5%. So 2 years will be, sir, 5 plus 5 plus 5 into 5, 25 by 100. So that will be, sir, 10.25%, sir. Again, take the AB theorem once. 10.25 plus 5 plus 10.25 into 5 by 100. It is, sir, 15.25 plus, it makes no sense, 50 and point to 51.25 by 100. Meaning, sir, 15.25 plus 0.5125. 15.7625. That is the total increment. Total increment meaning that increment value is this. After increment, so what will be the value? Now, do not try to calculate normally, sir. Just try to figure out. Almost 16% increment is giving me 28,000. 18,000 cannot be my answer. 20,000 is also total is 20,000 and 16% increment will be 20,000 into 16 means like 3,200, meaning 23,200. This is also not option, so option has to be A. Option most definitely has to be A, sir. 24 into 16, yes, it is like closer to this 27 something. So most like 100% this is my answer. Let's check. Yes, sir, this is the answer. So do not always calculate, just have the idea from the given values. So, sir, this was our mock analysis. Now, I guess this particular week the questions were more. It took almost 1.5 hours for me. Chalo, theek hai. Now, I know there was a little bit of an issue with the sound, but I hope next week onwards it will be clearer. Now, again, tomorrow onwards we are like launching the practice sessions for CGL and NTPC every day at 5 on YouTube. So again, do join us for that session. If you are a serious candidate, if you are preparing, it will be a 1 hour crisp session, session. We'll do practice as much as possible. Okay, sir. So again, thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please feel free to comment down below. And if you have liked the session, please hit that like button. I'll see you guys again tomorrow with that session. Till then, please take care and bye-bye. Signing off.